Fiverr is an online marketplace where people can buy and sell a wide variety of digital services, ranging from graphic design and writing to programming and marketing. Whether you're a freelancer looking to offer your skills or a business seeking specific services, Fiverr provides a platform for connecting with talented individuals worldwide. Here's how Fiverr works: signing up. To get started, simply visit the Fiverr website or download the mobile app. Signing up is easy and can be done using your Google account or email address. You can find the link for Fiverr in the description of this video. Once registered, you can explore the platform and its offerings, browse services. Fiverr hosts an extensive range of services. Categorized into sections such as graphics design, digital marketing, writing translation, video animation, music audio, programming tech, business, and lifestyle. You can browse through these categories to find the service you need, hire freelancers. Once you find a service that fits your requirements, you can review the profiles of freelancers offering that service. Their profiles typically showcase their skills, experience, portfolio, and customer reviews. You can select a freelancer based on these factors, place an order. After selecting a freelancer, you can discuss your project requirements, timeline, and budget with them. Once everything is agreed upon, you can proceed to place an order through Fiverr's secure payment system. Collaborate and communicate. Throughout the project, you can stay in touch with the freelancer via Fiverr's messaging system. This allows for clear communication and ensures that the project progresses smoothly. Receive deliverables. Once the freelancer completes the work, they will deliver the final product to you through Fiverr. You can review the deliverables and request revisions if needed. Complete the order. If you're satisfied with the work, you can mark the order as complete. The freelancer will receive payment, and you'll have the option to leave feedback and a rating based on your experience. Whether you're a freelancer looking to showcase your skills or a business in need of professional services, Fiverr offers a convenient platform for connecting with talented individuals and completing projects efficiently. And with the option to sign up using your Google account or email, joining Fiverr is quick and hassle-free. You can join Fiverr to buy in the marketplace, or you can also work as a freelancer for Fiverr. Both links are in the description of this video. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.